Have you ever wondered why a simple pair of plastic frames costs $500? You probably think you are paying for quality or brand heritage. You are wrong. If you walk into a mall, you see Ray-Ban, Oakley, Prada, Chanel, and Versace. You think these companies are fighting for your money, but they aren't. They are all owned by the same Italian company. You aren't buying a brand. You are buying an illusion. Welcome to the world of Luxottica, the company that enslaved your eyes. To understand the scale of this monopoly, imagine if one company owned Honda, Ford, Ferrari, and BMW, and also owned the roads you drive on. That is Luxottica. They don't just own the brands, they own the shops too. Lens Crafters, Sunglass Hut, Pearl Vision, Target Optical. They own them all. This means they control the production, the distribution, and the price. When you walk into their store to buy their glasses, you are trapped in a loop designed to empty your wallet. But how did they get so big? By being ruthless. Take Ray-Ban, for example. In the 1990s, Ray-Bans were cheap glasses sold in gas stations for $29. Luxottica bought them, took them off the market to create scarcity, and then reintroduced them as a luxury item for $150. Same plastic, new price tag. And when Oakley tried to fight them by lowering prices, Luxottica simply refused to sell Oakley in their stores. Oakley's stock crashed and Luxottica bought them for pennies. Resistance is futile. The most insulting part is the cost. Industry insiders estimate that a pair of prescription frames cost between $4 to $8 to manufacture. Even with the best lenses, the total cost is rarely over $30. Yet you pay $400, $500, or even more. That is a markup of over 1,000%. So the next time you put on your expensive designer shades, remember, you aren't looking cool. You are just a walking billboard for a monopoly that owns your vision.